Panini Vision X setup, plugging an inkjet cartridge installation. Unboxing. Panini Vision X. Power cord. Inkjet cartridge. Feeder extension. USB cable. Power supply. Setting up the Panini Vision X. Insert the feeder extension into the slot uncovered by pushing back the document pressure plate. Adjust the pocket length by sliding the pocket extension. Plug the power cord into the power supply socket. Insert the USB Type-B connector into the USB port on the rear side of the Panini Vision X scanner. Insert the power supply connector into the power port on the rear side of the Panini Vision X scanner. Plug the power supply to an electric outlet. Insert the USB cable into an available port on your laptop or PC. Inserting the inkjet cartridge. Remove the tape before using. For inserting the ink cartridge, remove the outer cover of the scanner. Open the inkjet cartridge cradle. Insert the inkjet cartridge into the cradle. Gently press it into place until it clicks or feels secure. And put the outer cover back into its place. You can now launch the CPS app and initialize the Panini Vision X. You can also run a test scan to confirm the endorsement prints correctly. Status lights. Thank you for watching.